Hello, my name is Connor Lowe, and I'll be your instructor for E271 this quarter. I'm extremely passionate about digital circuit design and enjoy spending my time helping students with their homework or passion projects. You may also find me reading around campus or in the quad, so feel free to stop me for a conversation or just to say hi. Before we talk about the policies for this class, let's establish where to go for help and questions outside of class. The biggest resource we'll utilize in this course is Piazza. Piazza is an online tool where you can ask questions and get answers from your fellow peers and instructors. If you have not yet received a link, please let us know so we can get that sent out to you after class today. Your first assignment will be introducing yourself not only to me, but to your fellow classmates, because we will be relying on each other heavily throughout this course. When you go onto Piazza, there will be an introduction thread where I've introduced myself. Your first assignment will be to introduce yourself on that thread and to comment on one other person's post that you found cool or interesting. I'll be going through all the posts on there and commenting, so you'll see me on there as well. Again, we'll use Piazza to answer each other's questions in this class. And if you are ever uncomfortable asking a question and sharing your name, please know there is an option to share anonymously as well. You may be wondering, why do I need to take this course other than that as a prerequisite for the next digital design course? While it is true the material in this course is fundamental to numerous courses in the EE department, companies such as Microsoft, Google, Boeing, MIPS, Intel, Pixar, and so many other companies have a huge need for FPGA designers and digital logic designers, which is what we'll be covering in this course. FPGAs are cutting edge and used when real-time, low-latency decisions need to be made, so you may not just use this material in your college career, but in your actual career as well. If you don't take my word on the subject, we are going to be hearing from an industry leader at Intel about how FPGAs affect our lives.
If you've talked on a cell phone or browsed the internet, you've more than likely benefited from an FPGA. While not commonly known outside of technology circles, FPGAs, or field programmable gate arrays, are more often used in applications where huge amounts of data must be processed and routed in real time. Invented in the mid-80s, FPGAs have rapidly added capabilities over the past decade and are being used in an expanding range of applications. Everything from medical image equipment, to factory automation, to AI speech recognition systems, to broadband cellular networks. And what sets the FPGA apart from other electronic devices is that it can be programmed at any time to update or even completely change its functionality. It's truly the chameleon of the electronics world. Thanks for joining me here on Architecture All Access FPGA.
Now that we know a little bit about the importance of the work we'll produce in this class, let's talk about that work. Since we are in the golden age of technology, the next topic we'll cover is academic misconduct. All work submitted in this class must be your own work, and you may not use any outside resource or collaborate on any assignment. Talking at a high level about assignments in this course is okay, but specifics about a problem in certain assignments is not allowed. All the files you turn in will be submitted electronically and go through an auto-grader. This auto-grader will also test your files against previous student submissions and solutions found online. So please only submit your own work, because copying a solution will result in a 0 for that assignment, and you'll be subject to the university's policies on academic misconduct. Next, we'll start outlining more course policies and the exact structure of the class and assignments.